The word for today, meditation for beginners. Hopefully by now you are convinced that the power that comes from meditating on God's word is a power you need working in your life. But maybe you're a beginner and you need a starting point. You're thinking, yes, I know I need to spend more time meditating on God's word, but how do I do it? Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Meditate on God's blessings. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless his holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits. Psalm 103, 1-2. Meditation leads to a thankful heart. 2. Meditate on your relationship with God. You received the spirit of adoption by whom we cry out, Abba, Father. The Spirit himself bears witness with our spirit that we are children of God. Romans 8, 15-16. 3. Meditate on God's love for you. Because your loving kindness is better than life, my lips shall praise you. Thus I will bless you while I live. I will lift up my hands in your name. My soul shall be satisfied as with marrow and fatness, and my mouth shall praise you with joyful lips. When I remember you on my bed, I meditate on you in the night watches. Because you have been my help, therefore in the shadow of your wings I will rejoice. My soul follows close behind you. Your right hand upholds me. Psalm 63, 3-8. You can meditate on God's promises to protect you, or to guide you, or instruct you, or correct you, or bless you. The point is, you need to get started. That is the word for today.